How to subscribe and save in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to different sellers and different products. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Here you'll be able to see subscribe and save. Simply tap on it. So we're in this section. Now again tap on shop the subscribe and save store. So this is the place where you can directly find out the products that you have already subscribed. Now you can even subscribe them according to the wish that you have. So you can browse the different products and simply tap on subscribe. Later you can even view it and simply buy it through the sellers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.